Hey y'all, welcome to Kryssyville. So today, I'm always doing something weird and crazy and wild and crazy. But I want to show y'all one of my favorite snacks in the whole wide world. You can be like, ew, what is that? Ew. So look, right? This came from Factory Doughnuts. And it is a maple bacon donut with vanilla ice cream with bacon topping and raspberry drizzle. When I tell y'all, this is so delicious. Like, I swear to God, don't knock it till you try it. And if you do, let them know where you got it from. It is so good. Like, bacon and ice cream sounds so disgusting, but like, look. It is so good. Like, it is so good. I'm telling you, you're gonna be hooked. Like, go to Factory Doughnuts. And get you a Kryssy. Get you a Kryssy sundae. Like, it's gonna be the best thing you had all day, all week, all month. So good. You know, there's restaurants all over the world that put bacon on all types of stuff. I love bacon. Look. I love bacon. But this right here, you know they make the donuts fresh right in front of your face. And this is like, oh my God, so good. It's so good. I'm telling y'all, give it a whirl. You're gonna be hooked. You're gonna be going there like every day. I'm serious. Like, it's really that good. The donut is hot. The donut is hot. The bacon is warm. And then you get the ice cream with it. So good. Like, seriously. So good. Go give it a whirl. Let me know what you think. This is literally like the best dessert ever. Like, I wouldn't tell you no lie. I wouldn't tell you no lie. Everybody be like, ew, that's nasty. Till you taste it. Delicious.